Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create a new user account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create a new user account on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open Computer Management. You need to click on Start menu. Then type here Computer Management. You can see here Computer Management, just click on that. Guys, in left section you can see here Local Users and Group, just click on that. In right side you can see Users, just click on the Users. Right click on that, click on New User. Guys, you can see here username, whatever you want the name you can type here. For example, I will type as AdventTech2. Guys, you can see here I have named as AdventTech2. You can see here full name, you can leave it as a blank. Description, you can leave it as a blank. You can see here password. If you want to create a password for your account, you can type any password from here. You need to double type your password from here for confirmation. After that, you can see here below some of the settings. User must change password at the next login. You can uncheck this option and click on the create and close this one. Now you will check the users if account has been created or not. You can see this is our new account which we have created recently, AdventTech2. That's it guys. So in this way you can create user account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.